Starting your NP clinical rotations can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to. If you're a beginner wondering what to expect, what to prepare, and how to find your preceptor, this video will answer all your FAQs. A clinical rotation is where classroom learning meets the real world patient care. You'll apply pharmacology, assessments, diagnosis, and treatment planning while under supervision. Think of it as the bridge between student and provider. It's where you truly start building your professional identity. Finding a preceptor is one of the biggest challenges for new NP students. Start with your program's recommended list. Then expand your search to local clinics, specialty practices, and online NP networks. Pro tip: personalized outreach works best. Introduce yourself, explain your rotation requirements, and show you're ready to learn. And if finding a preceptor feels overwhelming, NPHub can connect you to verified preceptors, handle paperwork, and keep you on track. Before your first day, gather immunizations and background checks, program required documents and forms, knowledge of top diagnosis for your specialty, a plan for patient presentations. Arrive early, dress professionally, and be ready to learn. Even small steps, like checking clinic logistics ahead of time, make a huge difference for your confidence. Common FAQs from beginners. Q. How long should a patient presentation be? About 3 to 5 minutes for complex cases. Follow SOAP format and review your plan with your preceptor. Q. How often should I ask for feedback? A. Regularly. Ask, how could I present more effectively? Or what can I improve in my write-ups? Openness builds trust and accelerates growth. Q. What if my preceptor falls through? A. Start early and have backup options. NPHub can provide replacements quickly, ensuring you stay on track. Clinical rotations are where your NP journey truly begins. Start prepared, stay curious, and make every day a learning opportunity. For stress-free preceptor matching, paperwork support, and flexible payment options, check out nphub.com. It's your next rotation simplified, and your path to becoming a confident NP starts here.